Alright, we think we got one right here under this rock. We can go ahead and go down and see if maybe we can get him out.
Why are you laughing? You're really funny.
This one's literally laying on my face. I'm leaning back and it's just laying on my face.
Oh, definitely okay with that. That's our biggest one of the year, easily. Oh, crap. Can I even pick him up? Trying to give you a perspective of what we got today. Oh, that was our catch of the day.
Oh, that was...
Where the fish
Can you guys see it? Can they see it, Autumn? You guys like that? Alright, we're gonna let this go here pretty quick. Good.